Here's another video from
Access Company.
My name is Kay,
My name is Jafet.
and welcome to Strawberry Creek Raceway. Hi guys, so this is Kai. Kai came out and drove with us to Strawberry Creek, and hi Kai.
Hey, how are you?
Good, good, good. And have you been in this track before?
No, but I heard there's a lot of fun in this track.
Yeah. This track is like super long, and it's got good sweeper, so it's very good for this the Camaro that you have.
Yeah.
Which model is this?
This is the Camaro Z01.
Is that L1?
Yeah.
It's fast, isn't it?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, of course.
No, awesome. I think your group is just about to header. So yeah, have fun.
All right. Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
So guys, that was the end of the track day today. And yeah, Jafet, this was your first time here, right?
Yes, it is, and this track is crazy. Like the elevations, it's crazy. I love this track.
Yeah, like for the most part, I think this is the best track here in Alberta. We have
Yes.
about 4 tracks here, and I think this is by far the biggest track, and also the safest, you would say, to drive on. So I think this is a really, really great track for either beginner or if you're expert.
Yes.
Other than that, it was a beautiful day. I think we had a lot of people coming out and having super fun, a lot of fun on their stock cars, race cars. We even saw some Formula 1000. And everybody was having fun. We had some food. It was a great barbecue, pork. What did you have?
I had the Italian meatballs.
Oh, I thought you
Yeah,
had the
yeah.
banh mi.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's the wrap for today, guys. If you guys like the video, please like
Up there.
and subscribe.
Huh?
For you, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please like.
Subscribe.
Thank you very much, guys.